Yo, what's up? Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel mga kamaster. And magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, no? Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog naman tayo mga kamaster. So for today's video pala is andito ako ngayon sa Villamor Boxing Gym, mga kamaster. So mag-training ako dito mga kamaster, no? So kasama ako si Coach Ting. Siya yung magtuturo sa akin, si Coach Ting Bisaya. So ayun mga kamaster. So ayan po si Coach Ting mga kamaster, no? Si Coach Ting. Yan si Coach Ting Bisaya mga kamaster. So tingnan nyo din yung channel niya, YouTube channel niya, Ting Bisaya. Yan. So andito ako ngayon sa Villamor Boxing Gym. Yan. Andyan si Coach dito Villamor. Andun si Coach Ting Bisaya.
So shout out mga kalodi. So first time mo ngayon.
Pangalawa?
Second time nga pala ni Rakitir Master sa gym na to guys. So let's go sa sa kanyang training guys. So sana suportahan niyo yung YouTube channel niya, Rakitir Master.
Woo! Thank you. Coach Ting Bisaya. So mag-skipping rope muna ako mga kamaster, no? So yun.
Ayun guys, so yan. Nagbunal daw si Rakitir Master ng maso. Subukan niyang magbuka ng ng gulong. Ang gatong na gulong. Yan. Okay ra, apoy. So shout out sa akong vlog. Ay mo din eh. Mo ning vlog eh. Yan, shout out kay Coach Edito William. Galing ni Coach. Pin out, pin count no? Okay. Kaya. Go, let's go. Stop. Okay na. Kondisyon na yun. Patay, bulang. Pagtatak ng bulang. Taka. Atras, bunal. Apak ito. Hapak. Hapak. Nice. Last.
Okay.
Relax, relax. Yun na ka? Ayun guys, so next na to kay ano ta?
Pero nakunta naman.
Ito. Okay, go. Bitso, asa jud? Tulak jud na.
Baligya, isip.
Naglibog lang sa naglibog rin kong tiil nun. Ada?
Okay, go.
Naglibog sa kong tiil. Ano to?
1, 2.
Naglibog rin kong tiil nun.
Sige, go. Sige.
Naglibog kong tiil nun.
1.
Sakto ba?
1, 2.
Naglibog sa kong tiil.
Ha?
Naglibog sa kong tiil. Naglibog sa kong tiil.
Dyan yung first time, maglibog pa dyan. Nahinay lang.
Tinda ko balik to nga kilo, hapos ka kilo.
Yes, sige, go.
Naglibog sa kong tiil nun.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baka mo kang nagsatsa.
Naglibog sa kong tiil.
Ano?
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. Shit. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more, speak out. It's about to head You're
south.
never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?